Hi, myself CHITUMALLA MANITEJA from Telangana. I completed my graduation from B.Tech University in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering with a grade CGPA of 8.04. And later on, coming to my technical skills, I'm upskilled in SQL, manual testing, and Java and Selenium. And later on, I have completed I was joined in an intensive program which is conducted by the Qspiders branch. And Qspiders was they were co-merged with RoboWaves company. In the company, I was worked as I have got a job as a automation QA engineer role. I joined in the Qspiders in the month of June 2024. I got job in the month of January 2025. My joining date was coming Monday. This coming Monday is February 2nd. So this was my good experience which I gained much knowledge in the institute. And coming to the trainers, they were good and well-trained trainers with good experienced teaching skills, and they were taught us with real-time examples for each and every scenarios. And I recommended everyone to join Qspiders for upskilling your skills in software testing. I thank each and every faculty and HR team and supportive team for the wonderful opportunity. Thank you.